Then let's talk about BAS report, business activity statement, including those 4 main categories. If it's a smaller business, probably it doesn't have FBT. So first one is the GST and PYG withholding. I would call it as we're collecting tax for the ATO. And number 3 and 4 is our tax installment. It's like some kind of prepayment. It's we prepaid our tax. This is income tax. This is our employee benefit. The rate is equal to the highest individual income tax. So how are we gonna do it? Actually, if we're using any accounting system, we can do it very easily in Zero. Just open that activity statement and run it. Make sure we have closed this month, we have everything done, all those items will be automatically calculated. Then we get our final payment. So we're gonna be talking about those 4 lines on a reporting perspective. Let's start from PAYG installment. It's our income tax installment, so we pay it every month and we clear it at the end of that year. So on balance sheet, it should look like this. For installment only, it only affect our cash. If we make a payment, should be this part, and we also do a tax provision. This will affect our P&L and under this part. Those two are separate, and we have 2 calculation methods. It could be either a fixed amount calculated from our last period, or it could be a fixed rate provided by the ATO. The next, for FBT, what is FBT? It is one kind of tax to prevent any tax avoidance. So the calculation method can be complex and the rate is high. On balance sheet, we should know it's similar as this one, because it is one kind of installment. So installment affecting cash and provision affecting expense. Next, about GST, it's all about calculating our GST paid and GST received. Normally, we only have one GST account. If it's paid, the amount is here. If it's received, the amount will be here. Finally, we have a difference like this minus this. And lastly, about withholding tax. We're paying less cash to our employees and we're gonna pay them later to the ATO. So we withhold this tax for our employees, but our expense will not be reduced. For example, one payment run, the salary expense is 10K and we withhold 3K to be paid to the ATO, so we're only paying 7K cash to this employee, but our expense is still 10K. On the balance sheet should be look like this. And lastly, how to check those figures are correct. Normally I will do 5 steps. Number 1, making sure everything is cut off for that month and all the bank transactions being reconciled. We check our GST on the balance sheet equal to the GST on the BAS report. If it's not, find that difference and ask relevant person about it. Number 3, check all the possible anomalies like some huge amount of GST-free transaction, if it's GST-free or it should have GST. Number 4, check the payroll summary if that's equal to the gross wages on our balance sheet. And number 5, do a variance analysis against previous month to check if there are other material differences.